Hi there. Today we are going to make edible Play-Doh for a fun kitchen craft. I have two different recipes for you. One that is good for younger children who may want to eat their Play-Doh, and a second recipe for older kids or adults who may not want to eat their Play-Doh but still want to play with it. The first recipe is also gluten-free, so it's great for those with allergies. For the kiddos, you will need 1 cup of gluten-free, all-purpose, flour 1, ½ cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 egg yolk 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3/4 of a cup of water and food coloring of your choice. This recipe makes a really nice, soft, smooth Play-Doh. It's soft enough that even toddlers can enjoy playing with it, but it will also hold its shape if older kids want to make little pieces. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Add in your cream cheese, egg yolk, and lemon juice. Mix everything together until it forms a crumbly texture. Slowly add in your water, mixing all the time until it becomes a smooth, elastic dough. If the dough is too sticky, add in a little bit more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. If it's too dry, then add in a little bit more water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Once you get the right consistency, divide up your dough into 4 even pieces. Then use a rolling pin to roll out each piece into a snake shape. Twist the ends together to keep them from unrolling, and place the snakes in between 2 sheets of wax paper or parchment paper. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Cut out shapes using cookie cutters and let your kiddos go wild. They can make animals, people, vehicles, anything they can imagine. Let them get creative. If you have picky eaters, this is a fun way for them to explore new foods. My daughter loves to pretend that she is feeding her animals and her people different foods. As you can see, the dough holds its shape very well. You can also roll out the dough into a flat sheet and cut out shapes using a pizza cutter. Talk about some fine motor practice. They could even help make dinner by pretending to knead dough for homemade bread or pizza. Now for the grown-ups or older kids who do not want to eat their Play-Doh, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of water and food coloring of your choice. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Add in your oil and cream cheese. Using a fork, mix everything together until it forms a crumbly texture. Add in your water, 1 tablespoon at a time. If you want a softer dough, add a little more water. If you want a stiffer dough, add a little more flour. Once you have the right consistency, let your kiddo or your inner child go wild. They can roll it out, flatten it, poke it, shape it however they want. Older kids can even try making their own shapes using cookie cutters, or they can get really detailed with a pizza cutter. Adults, this is great for stress relief. There is just something so relaxing about kneading dough. This recipe makes a lot, so you could even get a few friends together for a Play-Doh party. Just make sure to provide some storage containers so everyone can take their creations home. Once they are done playing, just put the Play-Doh back into the container. Cover it with plastic wrap and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Make sure to never store it at room temperature, because the flour and salt mixture can become toxic and make you sick. So there you have it, 2 fun, easy recipes for edible and non-edible Play-Doh. What will you make? Animals, people, vehicles, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun, easy learning activities for kids. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. We have lots more fun to be had, so stay tuned. Bye for now.